Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing extremely well. So today in this video we are going to talk about multiple hiring opportunities for multiple batches. So make sure to watch the complete video. This video will be giving you proper insight regarding the hiring process that the company is hiring. So do watch the complete video. But before proceeding further in the video, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed our channel till now, then guys please make sure to subscribe our channel. It will really motivate me to make more such content for you, and also the channel will be helpful for you, so do subscribe our channel and be a part of our Telegram community as well. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself, so make sure to join and subscribe our channel as well. So let's talk about our first opportunity, that is from HackerEarth. So as you can see, HackerEarth is hiring for the role of backend intern. Location is Bangalore, Karnataka, India. Right. So about HackerEarth, they have given the quick description. Now, what is the duration for this internship? That is 6 months. What your roles and responsibilities is going to be. So you have to work with problems of scale, employ technology that are distributed in nature, take ownership of your work, keep a keen eye out for bugs that might arise, ardently resolve them, make future additions to your product, or sometimes when you are feeling ambitious, rewrite the whole product from scratch. Don't make this a habit though. Get acclimatized to our tech stack, which is an ever-changing landscape, while to unlearn and relearn. Be versatile, document your contribution at HackerEarth. We promote consuming content and even more so. What are the skills required? So you should be good in Python with knowledge of at least one Python framework, like is Django is preferred. A strong understanding of building web application and full product life cycle, knowledge of development on a Linux system, good understanding of server-side MVC framework, should love challenges, pick up new languages, framework or technology on the go. Above all you love to build and ship products that real life people will use every day. So this is an opportunity for you. Let's talk about our next opportunity, that is from Headout. So this opportunity is for 2022 as well as for 2023 batch. So they are hiring for the role of software engineer intern. The location is Bangalore, right? So this is the form that you have to fill. Here they have asked for certain details, your full name, email, current company in case you're working somewhere, otherwise it's optional, like, right? So you have to put your LinkedIn URL as well, Twitter URL, GitHub URL. So all these things will increase your chances. So in case you are having lots of projects, you have done something, you have stuff, you have done tech stuff, so make sure to put your GitHub URL as well. So you have portfolio to put the link of that as well, right? And LinkedIn is a must, so that is mandatory. So some additional information if you want to add a cover letter or anything else you want to share about yourself or any tech related stuff, that will increase your chances for getting shortlisted for the opportunity. So make sure to put it right and then simply submit your application. Okay, so here's our next opportunity for the role of Python developer. Again, this is an internship. Location is Bangalore, India. This opportunity is for 2021 as well as 2022 batch. Here is the position summary. So Future First offer a unique opportunity in India to work in the world's most stimulating, liquid and well-developed derivatives market. This is an exciting challenge and an excellent opportunity for bright, analytical, highly motivated graduates to join a vibrant business and participate directly in today's dynamic world market. So what is the job profile? You need strong knowledge of Python with focus on data science, data manipulation, analytics, etc. Hands-on on knowledge of libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Plotly Dash, etc. Knowledge of HTML, CSS, and an eye for design will count as an added bonus. Previous experience of working with OHLC market data is preferred. What are the requirements? So you need a strong academics degree, educated or equivalent. Preferable education streams are commerce, finance, economics, mathematics, statistics, and engineering. Work experience is not required, so this opportunity is for sure for fresher. Right? Skills that they have mentioned is strong knowledge of Python with focus on data science, data manipulation. So this we already covered, right? So designation is Python developer. This is an internship for now. Duration of internship is 6 months. PPO will be offered based on the performance at the end of the internship. Internship start date is January 2022. Location will be Bangalore. If you are interested, then you have to send your CV to hr.bangalore at the rate HERTS@group.com. Okay, so this is a mail given and you have to send your CV there. Let's talk about our next opportunity now, that is from Birlasoft. So here's our next opportunity from Birlasoft. Birlasoft is hiring for the role of product support engineer. Job location is Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and salary is INR 3.25 LP. As you can see, eligibility criteria is year of graduation 2019, 2020, 2021. No standing backlogs. Minimum 60% overall education you need. So there's a service agreement as well. 24 months bond agreement to be signed. INR 1.0 LPA bond penalty in case the candidate leaves before 2 years of association. Education, so graduate BE, BTech, CSIT, ENTC and ECE branches, MCA, MSc, IT computer. Key responsibilities are going to be issue solving, so troubleshooting and providing technical resolution on issues reported by customers through tickets, chat or expert mode for enterprise product suite like SAP Analytics, Business Intelligence, etc. Knowledge transfers with continuous technical upskilling for self and the peers, documentation of accrued knowledge, develop internal talent pool for ICTS with multiple skills, Windows, Linux network, backup, storage, database, virtualization, and cloud. The associate software engineer will contribute to a wide variety of projects as our business needs evolve. The work include IT enterprise support and services spanning across infrastructure, system integration, administration, cloud, and managing data center services. Right. So these were some of the opportunities for you. I hope that you have found this video useful. If it is so, make sure to hit the like button, do subscribe our channel, and guys, please do share the video, right? It's a humble request. Share the video so that others can also know about these opportunities and they can apply for the same. So thank you so much for watching this video. Keep learning, keep preparing. Bye bye everyone.